Videotaping, so.
He's opening it. Whoa! Open it? Whoa! Epic!
Airplane?
Yeah. Let me see.
What else is in there?
What else is in there? Epic. What else? Over here.
Is there anything else in the bag?
Yeah. Yeah. There's more stuff.
Look in the bag. Anything else in there?
Oh, wait. Toy.
Okay, we'll open in a minute. Let's look and see what else is in the bag.
Let's see what else is in the bag. There's more stuff in the bag, Elliot. Yeah. Come on. It might be too heavy. Here, I got it. Whoa, Epic.
I've not seen one yet.
It's
Kevin,
Epic.
get the card out for him.
Card. Card out.
There, in the bag.
Whoa.
That's Slippy. Press the top of the plane for him.
Hey Josh, buddy, slide back.
What do you think, Elliot?
Oh wait, the card.
There you go.
This is from me, Allison, and my mom.
Say thank you, Elliot.
You're welcome. Whoa.
It's okay. I think the lid's on tight. You might want to check though. Help him get it out though.
I got it. Yeah, well that looks too low.
Yeah, you can play with that. You're liking all this attention I should be.
That's pretty cool.
That